Hello friends, in this video I showed you iPhone double tap and triple tap setting. Okay friends, let's see. I show you. First friends, you open iPhone setting and scroll down. Click here. Then click here and scroll down. And here have option back tap. Click here. And friends, here have two options, double tap and triple tap. First I show you friends setting triple tap. Click here and here you see all options. You can choose any option here. I choose here camera. Camera I choose ready friends. Click back. And now click here double tap. And here I select torch. Okay friends, so double tap and triple tap setting I set ready. And now I show you. You see here friends, if I double tap, torch on, and again double tap, torch off. And same like this have a triple tap. If I triple tap behind my iPhone, you see here camera open. So friends, very useful this setting for everyone. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.